The cosmic enigma, ancient aliens, and the mysteries of outer space. For centuries, outer space has captivated humanity, not just as a vast expanse of stars and planets, but as a realm filled with unanswered questions that challenge the very foundation of our understanding. Beyond its celestial beauty lies a deeper mystery. Could we have been visited by extraterrestrial beings in ancient times? The ancient aliens theory proposes that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations may have made contact with early humans, shaping our history, technology, and even mythology. Could the monuments of antiquity, from the Great Pyramid of Giza to the Nazca Lines of Peru, be remnants of their influence? Did our ancestors mistake these advanced visitors for gods, weaving their presence into religious texts and folklore? While mainstream science remains skeptical, archaeological discoveries, ancient scriptures, and unexplained artifacts continue to spark debate. From the enigmatic Vimana flying machines described in Hindu epics to the intriguing depictions of sky beings in prehistoric cave art, history is filled with clues that hint at something beyond our traditional understanding. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, sending probes to distant planets and searching for habitable worlds, one question lingers. Are we alone, or have we been part of a cosmic narrative far older than we ever imagined? Whether fact or fiction, the idea of ancient extraterrestrial visitors ignites our curiosity, reminding us that the search for truth is an endless journey, one that stretches across time, cultures, and the infinite expanse of the universe's ancient marvels. Evidence of extraterrestrial influence. One of the most intriguing mysteries fueling the ancient alien theory is the construction of monumental structures that continue to defy conventional explanations. From the towering pyramids of Giza to the enigmatic Stonehenge and the Nazca Lines, these awe-inspiring creations exhibit a level of precision and engineering far ahead of their time. Take the Great Pyramid of Giza, built around 2580 to 2560 BC. Composed of approximately 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing between 2.5 to 15 tons. Its construction remains one of the greatest puzzles in archaeology. How did an ancient civilization, lacking modern machinery, move and position these colossal stones with such accuracy? The pyramid's alignment with true north, the precise mathematical proportions, and its astronomical connections have led some to question whether the Egyptians had access to advanced knowledge beyond their own capabilities. Similarly, the Nazca Lines in Peru, a series of massive geoglyphs stretching across the desert, can only be fully appreciated from the sky. How did an ancient civilization, without aerial perspective, create such elaborate and precise designs? Could they have been messages or markers meant for beings viewing from above? While mainstream historians attribute these achievements to remarkable ingenuity, ancient astronaut theorists propose an alternative possibility: that early civilizations may have received assistance from extraterrestrial visitors. Could advanced beings have shared knowledge, technology, or even directly influenced these constructions? If so, what was their purpose? These questions push the boundaries of our understanding, challenging us to re-examine history with an open mind. Whether one sees these sites as proof of alien contact or simply as testaments to human ingenuity, one fact remains. Our ancestors were far more advanced than we once believed, and their secrets may still be waiting to be uncovered. The Nazca Lines, messages to the stars? among the world's most mystifying ancient wonders. The Nazca lines of Peru stand out as an enigma that has puzzled researchers for decades. These massive geoglyphs, etched into the desert floor over 2,000 years ago, stretch across several hundred square kilometers and depict a variety of figures, from animals like monkeys, birds, and spiders, to intricate geometric patterns and long straight lines that run for miles. What makes these formations truly astonishing is that they can only be fully appreciated from the sky. This has led to one of the most intriguing questions in archaeology. Why would an ancient civilization create massive drawings that they themselves could not view in their entirety? Theories abound regarding their purpose. Some researchers believe they functioned as astronomical calendars, aligning with celestial events. Others propose that they held religious or ceremonial significance, possibly as offerings to the gods. However, ancient astronaut theorists propose a far more provocative idea, that these geoglyphs were markers or signals for extraterrestrial visitors. Theories suggesting that the long straight Nazca lines may have served as landing strips or navigational guides for alien spacecraft have captivated the imagination of many. Could an advanced civilization from beyond Earth have interacted with the ancient Nazca people, inspiring them to create these massive figures as a form of communication? If so, what messages were they trying to convey? While mainstream archaeology attributes the lines to cultural and ritualistic purposes, the true nature of their origin remains shrouded in mystery. Whether they were meant for gods, the stars, or something far more otherworldly, the Nazca lines continue to spark debate, serving as a haunting reminder that the past may hold secrets we have yet to fully decipher. Ancient myths or encounters with extraterrestrials. The idea of ancient aliens extends far beyond architecture. It reaches deep into the mythology and religious texts of civilizations across the globe. For thousands of years, humans have told stories of beings descending from the heavens, bringing knowledge, power, and even the foundations of civilization itself. Could these legends be misinterpretations of real encounters with extraterrestrial visitors? One of the most fascinating examples comes from the Sumerians, one of the earliest known civilizations. Their mythology speaks of the Anunni, powerful deities who were said to have descended from the heavens to guide and shape human society. Some interpretations suggest that these gods were not deities in a supernatural sense, but rather advanced extraterrestrial beings, sharing knowledge of agriculture, mathematics, and even genetics to accelerate human development. The Anunnaki are often linked to the story of human creation, raising the question: did early humans actually witness beings from another world, mistaking them for gods? Similarly, the Hindu epic Mahabharata, one of the oldest and most revered texts in history, contains descriptions of flying machines known as Vimanas. These vehicles are depicted as powerful aerial crafts, some said to be capable of traversing vast distances and even engaging in aerial battles. While traditional scholars view Vimanas as mythological, others see them as potential evidence of ancient encounters with advanced technology that might not have been of this earth. Could it be that many of the gods and celestial beings worshipped by ancient civilizations were in fact visitors from the stars? If so, did they leave behind remnants of their knowledge, hidden in the texts, symbols, and traditions of early humanity? The deeper we explore these ancient myths, the more they challenge our conventional understanding of history, blurring the lines between legend and reality. Biblical accounts, divine encounters, or extraterrestrial visitations. The Bible, one of the most influential texts in human history, contains remarkable accounts that align closely with the ancient alien theory. Many of these stories, traditionally viewed as divine interventions, bear striking similarities to descriptions of advanced technology and extraterrestrial encounters. One of the most famous examples is found in the book of Ezekiel, where the prophet describes an extraordinary vision of a flying chariot composed of wheels within wheels, glowing with fire and accompanied by beings with multiple faces. This account has captivated scholars and theologians for centuries, but some researchers suggest that Ezekiel was not witnessing a spiritual apparition, but rather a highly advanced extraterrestrial craft. The wheels within wheels could symbolize a complex propulsion system, while the angelic beings might represent advanced entities guiding the machine. Another compelling biblical reference is the story of the Nephilim, mysterious beings mentioned in the book of Genesis. Described as the offspring of the sons of God and the daughters of men, the Nephilim are often interpreted as giants or divine hybrids. Some theorists propose that this passage could actually be describing genetic experimentation or interbreeding between early humans and extraterrestrial visitors. Could the sons of God have been beings from another world who influenced early human development in ways we have yet to fully understand? The idea that ancient civilizations may have misinterpreted advanced technology as divine intervention raises profound question about the true origins of religious belief and human history. If extraterrestrials did interact with early humans, their influence may have shaped the foundations of mythology, spirituality, and even the very concept of gods. What we once believed to be visions of the divine might in fact be historical records of contact with advanced interstellar travelers. Beings whose presence altered the course of human civilization in ways we are only beginning to uncover. The skeptic's perspective, a defense of human ingenuity. Despite the intriguing nature of the ancient alien theory, skepticism remains a significant force in this ongoing discourse. Critics argue that attributing the monumental achievements of ancient civilizations to extraterrestrial intervention not only lacks conclusive evidence, but also undermines human ingenuity and resourcefulness. Archaeologists and historians emphasize that civilizations such as the Egyptians, Sumerians, Mayans, and Incas possessed advanced knowledge of engineering, mathematics, and astronomy, acquired through centuries of observation and experimentation. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for instance, was constructed using meticulously organized labor forces, sophisticated quarrying techniques, and precise planning, demonstrating human capability rather than alien assistance. Similarly, the Nazca lines and other ancient geoglyphs, while mysterious, can be explained through practical methods. Studies suggest that these enormous designs could have been created using simple tools, wooden stakes, and careful surveying techniques, without the need for extraterrestrial guidance. The claim that ancient people required alien aid to accomplish such feats, some argue, reflects underestimation of indigenous knowledge and technological evolution. Moreover, skeptics highlight the dangers of misinterpreting mythology and religious texts as literal historical accounts. Many myths, they argue, serve as symbolic explanations of natural phenomena, moral lessons, or cultural beliefs, rather than actual records of alien contact. The Vimanas in Hindu epics, for example, might represent metaphorical depictions of spiritual transcendence, rather than descriptions of ancient flying machines. While mainstream scholars may dismiss the ancient alien hypothesis, the debate remains a powerful catalyst for exploration and inquiry. Whether one believes in extraterrestrial influence or human innovation, the fascination with ancient mysteries underscores a deep-seated desire to understand our origins, our history, and our place in the universe. In the end, the true value of this debate lies in its ability to provoke thought, encourage discovery, and push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. The modern search for extraterrestrial life. Beyond the realms of archaeology and mythology, the search for extraterrestrial life has entered a new and exciting era, driven by scientific discovery and technological advancement. With the rapid progress of astrophysics and space exploration, the age-old question, "Are we alone in the universe?" has gained renewed urgency. One of the most groundbreaking developments in this quest has been the discovery of exoplanets, planets that exist beyond our solar system. Thanks to missions like NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, which launched in 2009, and its successor TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, scientists have identified thousands of these distant worlds, many of which reside in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be right for liquid water and life as we know it. Some of these exoplanets, such as Proxima b, orbit stars relatively close to Earth, raising speculation about their potential to harbor alien civilizations. Meanwhile, the study of biosignatures, chemical markers in planetary atmospheres that indicate biological activity, has become a key focus in the search for life beyond Earth. Future missions, like the James Webb Space Telescope, are expected to provide even greater insights into the composition of these distant planets, potentially offering the first concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life. Beyond planetary discovery, efforts such as SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, continue to scan the skies for radio signals and other forms of communication that could indicate intelligent life. Though no definitive signals have been confirmed, the famous WOW signal detected in 1977 remains one of the most tantalizing hints that we may not be alone. As humanity probes deeper into the cosmos, the implications of finding extraterrestrial life, whether microbial organisms beneath the icy crust of Europa and Enceladus above us, or intelligent beings light years away, could reshape our understanding of existence, history, and even our own origins. Could the discovery of alien life validate ancient legends of gods descending from the sky? Or would it challenge long-held beliefs about our place in the universe? Regardless of the outcome, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues to inspire wonder, curiosity, and the relentless pursuit of truth, driving us ever closer to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos and our connection to it. Exploring our solar system, the search for life, close to home. While the discovery of exoplanets has expanded our horizons, our own solar system holds some of the most promising locations for extraterrestrial life. Recent advancements in space technology have enabled scientists to explore Mars, Europa, and Enceladus, celestial bodies that may once or still do harbor life. Mars, a past of liquid water and potential habitability. For decades, Mars has been at the center of the search for extraterrestrial life. Robotic missions like NASA's Perseverance rover and the Curiosity rover have provided compelling evidence that the red planet was once home to rivers, lakes, and possibly even an ocean. Perseverance, currently exploring the Jezero crater, is searching for signs of ancient microbial life preserved in rock formations that date back billions of years. The upcoming Mars sample return mission aims to bring back Martian rock samples, potentially offering the first direct evidence of extraterrestrial life. Europa and Enceladus, ocean worlds beneath ice beyond Mars. Two of the most intriguing candidates for life are Europa, a moon of Jupiter, and Enceladus, a moon of Saturn. Both are covered in thick layers of ice, but beneath their frozen crusts lie vast subsurface oceans that could contain the right conditions for life. NASA's Europa Clipper, set to launch in the 2030s, will analyze Europa's icy shell and study plumes of water vapor erupting from its surface, searching for potential biosignatures. Similarly, the Cassini spacecraft detected organic molecules in the geysers of Enceladus, suggesting that the moon's subsurface ocean might be chemically rich enough to support life. The implications of discovery. If microbial life is discovered on Mars, Europa, or Enceladus, it would revolutionize our understanding of life's origins. Could life be more common in the universe than we ever imagined? If organisms evolved independently beyond Earth, it would suggest that life may be a fundamental aspect of the cosmos, not a rare occurrence. Each new discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Are we alone? Whether the answer lies within our own solar system or among the distant stars, the search continues, pushing the boundaries of science, technology, and human curiosity. This intersection between ancient civilizations and extraterrestrial life not only challenges our perception of history, but also reshapes how we view humanity's place in the cosmos. The possibility that advanced beings may have influenced early societies force us to reconsider long-held narratives about human progress, technology, and knowledge transmission. Reinterpreting the past through a cosmic lens. Throughout history, monumental achievements, from the Great Pyramids to the Nazca Lines, have inspired awe and speculation. While mainstream archaeology attributes these structures to human ingenuity, alternative theories suggest the influence of extraterrestrial visitors who may have provided knowledge, tools, or even direct assistance. If such contact occurred, it could mean that ancient myths depicting gods from the heavens were not mere legends, but distorted recollections of actual encounters, expanding the boundaries of human understanding. Modern advancements in space exploration and the discovery of exoplanets have fueled interest in the possibility of intelligent extraterrestrial life. The more we uncover about the universe's vastness, the more we recognize that life beyond Earth is statistically plausible. This realization prompts us to question whether we have already encountered traces of extraterrestrial intelligence, not in distant galaxies, but within our own historical records. Bridging the past and the future. The idea that ancient aliens may have influenced human civilization invites us to broaden our scope of inquiry. Whether or not direct extraterrestrial contact occurred, this perspective urges us to explore history with fresh eyes, remain open to alternative interpretations, and embrace the mysteries that continue to shape our understanding of both our past and future. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we may one day find the answers that have eluded us for millennia, whether they reside among the stars or within the whispers of history itself. The implications of contact, rethinking humanity's place in the universe. If ancient aliens did indeed influence human civilization, the ramifications would extend far beyond archaeology and mythology, challenging our fundamental understanding of evolution, culture, and spirituality. Such a revelation would force us to redefine our origins, questioning whether human progress was purely organic or accelerated by external forces. A new perspective on evolution and innovation. The traditional narrative of human evolution suggests a gradual process of adaptation and discovery. However, if extraterrestrial intervention played a role, we might need to reconsider the origins of intelligence, technology, and even consciousness itself. Could key advancements, such as early agriculture, written language, or monumental architecture, have been influenced by external knowledge? If so, how much of what we consider human achievement is truly our own? Cultural and spiritual transformations. Many ancient myths and religious texts describe gods descending from the heavens, bringing knowledge and guidance. If these accounts were based on actual extraterrestrial encounters, it would suggest that our most sacred traditions may have extraterrestrial origins. This realization could either disrupt existing belief systems or strengthen them, reinforcing the idea that humanity has always been connected to something greater than itself. From isolation to cosmic interconnectedness, a confirmed link between humanity and extraterrestrial intelligence would fundamentally shift our perspective on the universe. Instead of viewing ourselves as isolated beings on a lone planet, we might come to see Earth as part of a larger cosmic network. This paradigm shift could encourage global unity, inspiring us to think beyond national or cultural divisions and recognize our shared existence within the universe. The quest for truth, a defining human journey. Ultimately, the search for our origins and the possibility of extraterrestrial life is more than a scientific endeavor. It is a philosophical and existential journey. Whether or not we find definitive proof of ancient alien contact, the very act of questioning who we are, where we come from, and where we are going is what defines us as a species. The pursuit of knowledge is, and always will be, at the heart of what it means to be human. Embracing the unknown, humanity's eternal quest for truth as we stand on the edge of discovery, gazing into the vast expanse of space, we are reminded that the mysteries of the universe are deeply intertwined with our own search for meaning. The cosmos is not just a distant frontier to be explored. It is a mirror reflecting our curiosity, ambition, and the fundamental questions of our existence. The theories of ancient aliens, whether true or not, serve as a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge. They represent our desire to connect the past with the present, to unravel the enigmas of history, and to understand our place within the grand design of the universe. Each discovery, whether in ancient ruins or among the stars, brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries that define our origins. What lies beyond the horizon? The quest for truth is an endless journey, one that challenges us to think beyond our limitations, to question the narratives we've long accepted, and to embrace the possibilities that stretch across time and space. Whether we are alone in the universe or part of something far greater, our insatiable curiosity ensures that the search will never end. Because to seek answers is, and always will be, the essence of what it means to be human.